why do we have emotions? They lead us astray. So why do we have these things? They why do we get angry? Anger can be amazingly destructive. So why do we have anger? Why do we experience righteous anger? I mean, this anger not about harm to us, but about what's going on in our world. Why? Why do we feel pain or envy or grief or hatred? So destructive. And would you give that up? Would you give up your emotions to get rid of that pain and grief and envy and hatred? But that would also mean giving up compassion and forgiveness and love. I don't know, there are some days I might make that trade, but I think in general, I would not. So as I said, I have been thinking about this for decades, but more about why we have emotions in the last few weeks in preparation for being with you today. And, we have emotions for a reason. What is that reason? If those who are here today believe that we are created in God's image, we have a really good reason to have emotions. I still don't know what that is sometimes, but we have a really good reason for it. And I think better understanding them, how they play out in our lives and in the lives of those that we minister to, can be enormously helpful. The key for me, and what I hope will be helpful to you, is can we be more skilled and intelligent about how we process emotions, because they're here for a really good reason, if we can discover what that is.